Hello, Crystal again here today, the creator of the Race to Infinity Maths game and the author of the Make Maths Fun book. I want to show you a quick trick today on how to multiply actually a number by 5, a number that is an odd number. So earlier on in my group of videos, which you can find on our social media channels, I actually I showed you how to multiply a number by 5, but those were for even numbers. Now this is for odd numbers, yeah? So I'll give you an example. If you have, say, 23. So in the other example, I actually showed you an example of multiplying 22 by 5. Now this is 23 here. So to multiply by 23 by 5, you would look at these numbers, 23. Now take the number that's closest to it, but not more than it, that is even. So the number closest to 23, that's not more than 23, is really 22, yeah? So what you do is you divide that 22 by 2, and you'd have 11, and guess what you need to do? You just tag on a 5 at the end of it. So 23 times 5 equals 115. And then you can cancel that out, because you just sort of store that temporarily either in your brain or on one little side of your sheet of paper that you're practicing with. After a while of doing this practice, you'd be able to do it off by heart in your brain without needing a piece of paper. And of course, you will not need a calculator. That's the whole point of showing you this. So, another example. If you wanted to multiply, say, 45 by 5. Yeah, and I've actually just thought of another trick actually to multiply 45 by 5, but I wouldn't go into that now. I'll do it in another video. Now, so again, take the number that's closest to 45, that's not more than 45. So what you want really is 44, not 46, because 46 is more than 45. So just look at that number, take the number that's closest to it, which is 44, divide that by 2, you'd have 22, and then tag on a 5 at the end of it. One more. If you've got, let's say, let's make it a little bit more complicated. 223 times 5. Yeah, what's the number closest to 223? That's not more than 23. Sorry, what's the even number closest? So that one had to be the even number that's closest to 45, but not more than 45. And here, you want the even number closest to 223, that's not more than 223. So that's really 222. So, write that somewhere. So 222 divided by 2, remember I said divide the number by 2. What you then have is 1, 1, 1. And then tag on a 5 at the end of it, and you have your answer. And if you want to double check, you can use a calculator to double check, but that is the answer. So after doing it a few times, you would then know how to do this quite easily. So that's it. For more maths tricks, follow us on our social media channels, and these are tricks that make you and your child look like a genius, and I'll see you there.